Hey tech fans, I'm thrilled to welcome you back to Visual Learners. Today we'll be talking about Google Project IDX joining the web dev and AI thrill, and whether you should consider using it. But first, for those new here, this is the segment called VL Extras, where we give bite-sized insights and dive into cutting-edge innovations in tech, robotics, and AI. Don't forget to check out my portfolio at teddy-vl-portfolio.vercel.app and connect with me on socials. Links are in the description. Also, be sure to check out VL Podcasts, where we break down complex trends without the brain melt.
I'm Nikita from The Developer Show. Project IDX is a new browser-based development experience built on Google Cloud and powered by Cody, a foundational AI model trained on code and built on Palm 2. It's designed to make it easier to build, manage, and deploy full-stack web and multi-platform applications with popular frameworks and languages.
In the ever-evolving landscape of software development, building applications that work seamlessly across mobile, web, and desktop has always been a massive challenge. But Google's thinking it would be a missed opportunity to not harness the power of AI to solve this. So, to streamline multi-platform development, Google has launched Project IDX, a bold, AI-powered, cloud-based IDE designed to simplify creating apps for all sorts of platforms. Now, Google's no stranger to multi-platform solutions. They've been helping devs out for years with Angular, Flutter, Google Cloud, and Firebase. But Google's not alone in the multi-platform game. Microsoft's .NET MAUI offers similar capabilities but only locally, while frameworks like React and Flutter have been leading the way too. Yet, with Project IDX, Google's set to bring all these development needs under one roof in a way we haven't seen before. For developers, the process is smooth. Just import your existing project directly from GitHub, or start fresh with Project IDX's pre-configured templates. These templates cover all the popular frameworks: Angular, Flutter, Next.js, React, Svelte, and Vue. So, basically you can jump right in and start building without needing to hop between platforms.
3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0.
This is a code editor. A code editor with AI assistance, user collaboration, environment customization, web previews, and Android emulation. And, did we mention? It's all inside the browser. Running on any device. Anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the universe! Wait, we don't have that feature yet? Never mind. Let's head back down. Breakpoint debugging? Yeah, it's got that. And this code editor is backed by Gemini, Google's largest and most capable model. And it powers inline AI assistance that's contextually aware of the surrounding code. So it can write those unit tests for you. Want to get a project started fast? There's an entire gallery of starter templates that ranges from JavaScript frameworks, Flutter apps, and backend languages. Enable integrations for Gemini and Google Maps. Deploy in one click to Cloud Run and Firebase hosting. Oh, you're a Docker fan? Well, you can set up Docker with just a config option. And with support for the Chrome DevTools console and Lighthouse, you can rest easy knowing that the quality and performance of your app are always up to par. So maybe this is more than just a code editor. This is Project IDX.
Now, at the heart of this new platform is Cody, Google's very own AI model. Built on Palm 2 and trained specifically on code, Cody is basically Google's answer to OpenAI's Codex. It powers things like smart code completion, an AI-assisted chatbot, and contextual code suggestions, all aimed at making coding faster and cleaner. And yes, Microsoft may have Codex integrated into GitHub Copilot, but with Project IDX, Google is making a serious play to attract devs to its own ecosystem with AI as the main draw. Project IDX is also based on Code OSS, the same open-source base that powers VS Code, meaning if you're a developer, you'll feel right at home. The setup includes all the familiar features you'd expect, but with AI on hand to assist with code snippets, debugging, and context-sensitive recommendations. And here's something I know a lot of you are going to love. Project IDX is fully cloud-based, which means you can pick up your work on any device from anywhere. This is huge for the modern dev workflow. Imagine coding on your desktop and picking up seamlessly on your laptop or even tablet. Every IDX workspace has the functionality of a Linux-based virtual machine, hosted in nearby Google data centers. so you get a blend of power and flexibility. Plus, Google's planning to bring in a fully configured Android emulator and iOS simulator directly into the browser. No more need for extra hardware or clunky installs. Now let's talk deployment, which can often be a major headache in dev work. Project IDX tackles this with Firebase hosting built in. Whether you're previewing a web app or pushing it live to production, Firebase is there to streamline the process, making it way easier to get your work in front of real users fast. And here's the cherry on top. Google's not going at this alone. They're inviting developers from all around the world to jump into Project IDX and help shape it. So yes, it's still in its early stages, and Google's expecting a few rough edges, but they want developer input to refine and evolve this platform. Project IDX is definitely on track to shake up the app development scene. It brings together cloud capabilities, an AI-powered IDE, and an open-door policy for feedback, making it an all-in-one space for developers who want a simple, effective, and future-ready coding environment. Alright, let's set the stage for a little competition. In the world of web development, the competition to provide a streamlined, cloud-based coding experience is heating up. Tools like Project IDX, V0, Bolt.new, and Cursor AI are leveraging AI to make development faster and easier, but each brings something unique to the table. So, which platform might be the best fit for you? If you're looking for a complete cloud-based environment with powerful AI and multi-platform support, Project IDX is a fantastic choice, especially if you're already in the Google ecosystem. For those who prioritize speed and simplicity in building full-stack projects, Bolt.new is the way to go, offering nearly instant generation and deployment capabilities.
IDX AI Chat is a powerful tool for exploring and refining questions. However, in many cases, you want to prompt the code existing in your codebase. And we're now bridging the functionality directly into the editor. I'm building a server API with Express.js and Firebase in this IDX workspace. I want to add a new post route, but instead of writing the code, I wish I could just write a prompt that would modify the existing code for me. Well, now you can with inline AI assistance. Within IDX, you hit the hotkey of Command-I or Control-I to pop up the inline AI assistance. Let's write a prompt to build a post route. IDX uses the code that's in this file to understand that it's an Express.js app to give me this proposed code. I can either accept, discard, or regenerate. But this example, it's pretty straightforward. Let's see if it can do something a little more complex. I want to create an authenticated endpoint and save a task object to a database. I'll open up inline AI assistance to get and validate a Firebase authentication ID token from a session cookie and save a task with a server timestamp. The inline AI assistance generates code using Firebase's Node.js admin SDK to verify the token and create a document within the user's own collection in Firestore. I'll click accept to insert it right into the file. Inline AI is also great for modifying existing code, especially code that is tedious and difficult to refactor. Take a look at this callback pyramid of doom and this Node.js code. I mean, it works, but I certainly don't want to refactor it by hand. So let's use inline AI assistance to refactor this code to use the Node.js promise API. The inline AI not only generates the proposed code, but it also shows a diff between the original code and the proposal. You can look over any changes before accepting it into the file, or if you want to keep the code without inserting it, you can discard the code into the clipboard or another file.